Zanzibar is an archipelago lying off the coast of East Africa in the Indian Ocean. Archipelago meaning that it is a collection of islands. The largest islands are Unguja, which is 35 kilometers off the coast of mainland Tanzania, and Pemba, which sits 50 kilometers north of Unguja. There are also dozens of other very small, mostly uninhabited islands that make up the archipelago. Often when people say Zanzibar, they are referring to Unguja, which is home to the archipelago's capital, the variously called Zanzibar town or Zanzibar city. Zanzibar is not an independent country, but rather a semi-autonomous part of Tanzania, which has its own separate government called the Revolutionary Government of Zanzibar. The country is named after the Arabic word Zanzibar, which stems from the Persian Zangbar, Zang meaning black and Bar meaning coast. The Zanzibar archipelago lies near the equator, so it has a tropical climate and is warm all year round. Zanzibar is home to one of Africa's rarest primates, the Zanzibar red colobus monkey, and also the critically endangered Zanzibar leopard and the recently discovered Zanzibar servaline genet. The smaller island of Chumbe is home to Zanzibar's first marine reserve and accounts for 90% of all hard coral species that have been recorded in eastern African reefs. Over 400 reef fish species live there, and it's an important feeding ground for the hawksbill and for green turtles. The total population of Zanzibar is around 1.5 million people. Almost all of its inhabitants are Muslim, with a small Christian minority. Many local residents, especially in tourist areas, speak some Arabic, English, Italian or French, but the main language is Swahili, specifically a dialect of Swahili called Kiangaja, which is considered to be a classical and more elevated form of the language.